Just do a quick tutorial on how to determine whether or not an public key address on Solana is an NFT. So to do that, we're going to use a blockchain API. If you go to docs.theblockchainapi.com and you just scroll down to Solana account, get if account is NFT. So we basically just tell, is this the NFT mint address? And the public key could correspond to something else. It could correspond to a program on Solana, could a wallet, which is a system program. So yeah, so that's why you might want to use this. And then it will return is NFT true or false. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so to do so, first we have to get an API key pair. So go to dashboard.theblockchainapi.com or just click this and then click get a free key pair here. But it'll ask you to sign in, and then you can just click create API key pair and copy and paste, and then paste into your IDE here. So we're going to be using Python to do this. Okay, so now let's paste this NFT example. We know this one's supposed to return true. Okay, so this will just be a good first example. Okay, so first thing is let's just make sure. So make sure the blockchain API is installed. So pip install the blockchain API. Okay, and you can also go over here and click plus, the blockchain API and install it that way. Okay, so now up here, just go from the blockchain API, import the blockchain API resource. This is the class. It's going to have all of our methods for calling the API. So then we just want to initialize this with our key pair. Okay, so now we just have to say results.get is NFT, and then so there's two things we have to provide. We have to provide the address, so and the network. So this is important. So import Solana network. This is important because we need to know. It needs to know whether or not it's on mainnet or devnet. So I'll just show you. If I to print it. If I run this on mainnet, it'll return true. But if I run it on devnet, it might actually return false because there's no NFT that exists on devnet with this. So by default, it's false. Yep. Okay. So it is important to make sure that that is correct. So now we can just go ahead and create a function just called is NFT and return it, and we can just assume that it's that address. So then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna basically just reference this example. It just has more addresses, so instead of me pulling them up, we can just go through them. So it has this function and everything we need for it. So it basically just uses what we just coded here. Except it just creates into this function get is NFT, and then it does these different public keys that I already know what's what, right? So if I rerun it, and then it prints out the title so that we know what the result is corresponding to, and the network. If I rerun it, it works as expected. So the NFT account returns true, the SPL token's false, smart contract false, associated token count false, candy machine count false, system program false. So everything works. Okay, so that's how that works, and yeah, I hope that helps you. Thank you. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to contact us. Contact methods are in the dashboard. Thank you, and I hope you become a part of our community. Thanks.